Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at the symbol info string and how it can actually help us access information from our chart or from any chart. Right? So again, it's a string. So okay, firstly let's do this. I want to show you guys something. So we need to see what type of data type it is, or the types of data types it can be. Info string. So as you can see guys, it can either be a boolean or it can be a string. So I'm only interested in the string for now, so we'll go for the string type. And in this case we just have to put down symbol. This is any given symbol because we're going to attach this to any chart, and then we're going to put a comma, and these are all the informations we can access about the current or about the asset that we attach the EA on. So in this case, let's just go with a bank and see what happens. Symbol bank. Let's just see what happens, what it will print out. So I'm going to use an alert again. Alert X, since X is my variable. And then let's see how this goes. F7 to check for any errors, and then I'll go to F4 and then I'll attach symbol info string, and yes, there's nothing. There's literally nothing. Okay, so let's try this on another. Just try it on a currency pair. Let's see. No, I can't do that here, so let's see. No, it's fine. So let's see again. Let's go back to our thing and see what other thing we can access. So symbol category. Let's see if this one will print out something. F7. Oh, it ran already. Oh, so it shows us that the category is under indices, and we know that's true because Nasdaq is part of indices. Let's see what else we can access from this. Underscore currency margin. Let me see description. Let's see description and see if we're gonna get some form of. Okay, there's an output. Oh, so that is the description. As you can see again, this is the same description that has been given to us. So yeah guys, you can basically play around with this and use the symbol info string to get information from the chart about the current asset that you are basically trading. So here formula, there is exchange. I don't know, let's try exchange and see if it's gonna print out anything. F4. Okay, there's nothing by exchange. Let's try something else. Did we try country? I don't. Okay, let's try country. I don't know if we tried country, but let's see. Okay, it doesn't show anything here. Let's try currency margin. Let's see if it's gonna print out something. F7. Okay, USD. Okay, at least it shows that, yeah, basically it's USD. But yeah guys, I hope this video helps. Yeah, we can use the symbol info string, to get string like information from our chart. In the next video guys, we will look at how to open and close trade. So yes guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.